Hi, I'm Dr. Yazdan, and in this video I want to give you a little bit more information about one of my favorite procedures, which is in-office teeth whitening. The reason that I like in-office teeth whitening so much is that it's quick, easy, and you see results right away. One of the reasons that it's so important to do your teeth whitening inside a dental office as opposed to using the over-the-counter teeth whitening methods is that we actually isolate your tissues, which is super important so that your tissues don't get burned. Another reason is that the bleach we apply is a prescription strength bleach, so your teeth actually end up being whiter. So the first thing that we do is isolate all of your tissues, and then we apply the bleaching agent for 4 15-minute sessions for a total of 1 hour. After this 1-hour session, your teeth will be noticeably whiter. Some patients complain of post-op sensitivity, but there's ways to reduce this. One way to reduce the sensitivity is to use a product with fluoride in it, or to use a toothpaste that's made for people with sensitive teeth. If the sensitivity persists, then you could take a little Advil to help alleviate the symptoms. Keep in mind that the sensitivity shouldn't last more than 2 days. It's important to communicate with me if your teeth are naturally sensitive, because I can actually reduce the sensitivity during the procedure. I hope this video gave you a little bit more information about teeth whitening.